Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a fidget toy here. So, before I start, we're going to do the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, so, first, fidget toy. Your favorite fidget toy. Your least favorite fidget toy. The fidget toy that you've never gotten caught in class. The fidget toy that you bought a couple weeks ago. The fidget toy that you're trading. Oh, okay, where is it? And these. The fidget toy that you made just today. The fidget toy that you hate but your friends love. The fidget toy that's your favorite stress ball. The fidget toy that helps you go to sleep. The fidget toy that your loudest fidget toy. Your quietest fidget toy. Your most expensive fidget toy. Your least expensive fidget toy. The fidget toy that took you longest to get. The fidget toy that you really wanted for a while. And the fidget toy that you hate but everybody loves. Okay guys, that's the end of the video on fidget toy chat. So I'm going to be showing the fidget toys now. But yeah, so comment down below any suggestions for buying fidget toys or anything. Where I can get them from, any fidget toys you want me to buy. So yeah, check on why I cut my hair. Anyways, yeah.